Hi, I'm back to demonstrate a product I made called air freshener. I'm going to show you how it works. Now, it's a great furniture air freshener if you want your furniture to not stink when you have guests over and it smells like baking soda. That's a really good freshener to have if you have guests over because they don't want to smell stink. Here's another way of keeping your house neat. I kind of like it. Here, I'm going to spray my house. Keep this room neat because I like a room air freshen, neat. And plus I have a gym bag. Here's how to freshen your gym bag. Yeah, well, this is it. I made this DIY. It's baking soda and distilled water. It's very easy to make, and this spray bottle comes from No Frills. But you can get any spray bottle at your local dollar store.